Well, hello everyone. This is the first episode in a series of 6 short episodes about presentation of financial remedy and taking you through the basics and the most up-to-date cases to leave you feeling really confident, but also short episodes that you can come back to if you've got something really specific that you want to look at. And looking at the beginning, what we're going to start with today, this is episode 1, is we're going to start with legal services payment orders and maintenance pending suit, because these are preliminary applications. This is what you might look at the start of a set of court proceedings. For those of you who don't know me, and there's no reason why you should, I am Catherine Bundell. I'm a barrister in private practice. I work out of 4PB, and finance, of course, is the bulk of my workload. So, there will be, you will see, more slides today than I will speak to, in effect. So you have extra material and more detail in the material, in the written material, if you want to go to it. I'm not going to read you through all of the sections that are relevant within the statutes, because you're quite good at reading by now. But what we will do is we will talk through it as we will go. And this episode will take about half an hour. All right. So let's start off with legal services payment orders. I have to say they've taken a little bit of time to take root from when they first came in, but they are now becoming a really useful tool in order to be able to provide equality of arms for parties when going through litigation. And we may find that we have a position where one party, after separation, is financially an awfully lot weaker than the other. It may well be that that financially weaker party is in a position whereby they don't know what it is that they have as marital assets. They don't know what the other party has. And so they need some help in securing some form of disclosure, maybe in issuing proceedings, and in finding out what there is. And in order to do that, they usually need some legal advice. And it may well be that if the other side has money and is a financially much stronger party, the other side may well have lawyers. And it's really important that we have some equality of arms, particularly for those who are more vulnerable within proceedings. So if you've got a client that comes in and says, well, actually, there is some money here, but I just really don't know, how much or where it is, but I really do need some legal advice, then if they don't have the money to pay for that, then one of the things you need to think about is a legal services payment order.